I think I might be able to one-shot this one.
They say you can build a real app with only 3 prompts. I don't even know if this is possible, but let's find out if we can do that with Lovable plus the new cloud version. Okay, prompt number 1. Let's see if this is actually gonna work. I don't even know if this is possible. Like 3 prompts. It might be possible. It really depends on if he nails the interface on the first prompt, because I feel like the database with Supabase, it should be pretty easy in terms of like nailing that part. But like just making sure that everything looks good, I feel like that is going to be the hardest part, because I've used Lovable before and most of the time it kind of looks it looks kind of blah, if I'm gonna be real. But let's see what we can do here. It's kind of wild how this goes so fast, but at the same time, I'm thinking to myself like, why is it taking so much time? It should go faster. But when you think about it, it's just like it's seriously completing like the entire user interface in like what is it, like 2 minutes has passed, like 3 minutes, and now we have the entire thing here. So now the question is like, how do I look at the preview? So yeah, so this is kind of the thing. It's like they all kind of look the same initially. Tell us about yourself. So now the question is, does this actually work? Or, I mean, is this dummy data, instant personalized match? Uh, I don't know. I work as a creator on, I create YouTube videos, and I love cooking food. I don't know if this is gonna like return dummy data. I don't, because I wonder if it's like connected to Gemini somehow. Oh damn, that's pretty crazy. Like, how did they? That's actually pretty good. It's kind of interesting. Can you add the option of them inputting their email so we can send the results? I don't know if I want to waste that prompt on that, but it will be pretty cool if you send the results to their email instead. But truthfully, I mean, I will say like make the design more modern with the rounded corners. I don't know, not rounded corner. Make the design more modern and a bit more shadow on the boxes at the bottom. Uh, yeah. Okay, that's prompt number 2, because yeah, it's more about the design, like the look of it. And also, it kind of looks like there is some sort of text here that you can't really see, because it says like contact. Where is that, like opting to necessary and alluton? I don't know what it says there. I think it is made up words or something. But there are like the in at the yeah, the background contains some sort of words here that you can't really see, and it kind of looks like AI generated made up words pretty much. So yeah. Oh, damn. Yeah, now it looks way better. And also, oh, yeah. Now we're talking. Yeah, yeah. This looks way better than the other one. Um, make the upper top, make the upper part of the page more modern as well, and use shadows. And also, use dark mode instead of light. I think that was actually the third prompt. Oh, damn. No, actually used 4, because I started with that one, and then I said that 2, and that was number. Oh, it's actually number 3. All right, so All right. So it kind of works in terms of like creating whatever it is that you want to create with three prompts. Because for some reason, I guess it did connect some sort of LLM to this, because that it can even answer me shows that there has to be some sort. I guess they're using their own LLM in this case, because I'm not paying for that at all. Because if you were to do this in the net, and you will have to like connect your own LLM, ChatGPT or OpenAI in this case. But in this case, I guess they're just connecting this one into this, and just when you like, I love cooking. I guess the LLM that they are using right now, which I bet is OpenAI, is then feeding the data here and answering. All right, that's pretty cool that you can do that. Now, of course, the question is like, how are you going to use this or sell it? Because, yeah, I mean, it's cool that you can do this, but the goal essentially is pretty much like figuring out how you can sell it to other people, or essentially save time with it. That's at least where my head is leaning towards. But yeah, it actually worked. But either way, if you like this video, make sure to like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.